In this short video, we're going to look at how to force quit an application that might be hanging. So in a previous video, we showed how to get to Spotlight. Basically, press Command and Spacebar, and Spotlight opens up. Here, let's type in Activity Monitor. Activity, and there it is. And we can see there's an application here that's not responding. And the way we can kill this application or force quit it is to go up here to this X and click on that X to stop that application from running. So when we click on this X, a menu pops up. It says, are you sure you want to quit this process? Do you really want to quit this cursor UI view, which seems to be not responding? So I can just quit or force quit. Let's try a quit first. If quit doesn't work, we come back here and we do a force quit. And that's all there is to it. Let's hit quit. And it does not seem to be working. So now we go back here and we force quit. And there, it's gone. And that's all there is to it. Thank you so much for watching Mac Mingle.